Athena and I own Meticulous Ink. For 15 years, we've been in Bath creating beautiful stationery on our vintage printing presses. We've taught hundreds and thousands of people to be creative, to expand their creativity. And we've been keeping wonderful tactile analog things alive. For the first time, we have an opportunity to create a permanent home for Meticulous Ink. A place that we can expand, that we can grow without the threat of rent being raised. This is an incredibly rare opportunity. It feels once in a lifetime, and I need your help. I want to create a permanent home for our printing presses, a permanent home where we can expand, where our creativity can grow, and where we can spread joy and kindness through letterpress print. I've created a selection of rewards that you can purchase to help us to make this dream a reality. Please support this project in whatever way you can. If that's purchasing a reward, talking about it with your friends, sharing it on all your social media. If Meticulous Ink has inspired you, if we've helped you find your perfect pen, if we've geeked out over stationery or printing, if we've helped you in any way, then I'd be utterly grateful if you can support this project and make this a reality. I'm pouring all of my faith and all of my effort into this. I really think this is the right place. I can feel it in my bones that it's the right home for Meticulous Ink. I truly believe in this project, and I think you do too. And the proof is that we've been here for 15 years, and I would like that to go on for another 150 years. Thank you truly for helping us build a permanent space for Meticulous Ink.